how-tos.
All right, guys, this is how we draw our cross. We're gonna take it, starting in our jab, all right, starting with our 1. As I come with my 2, I'm gonna make sure that I pivot. My right knee is gonna touch my left knee. That's how much I'm gonna get a rotation. I'm gonna pivot, bring that left back, I'm on my guard, and I'm turning my 2 front knuckles over, okay? You should honestly feel it in your right oblique here, all right? Your ab right here. All right, so I'll do that again. 2, right here. And I'll do it from the extended position of a 1, coming straight back, slingshot, rotate, 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 here. And I'll leave it here. If you look from the bottom up, knee, all right, almost touching each other, coming straight across.